Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here we have been given an interval and we have to find the one possible value of x minus y. So how we will do that? So here we can see that highest denominator is 8. So let's make all the denominator as 8. So here we will write 6 over 8 is less than, here it will be 4 times 2 will be 8, so that means here 4x over 8 minus, so here it will be 2 times 4 will be 8, so here it will be multiplied with 2 and that will be 4y over 8 is less than, here it will be 4 times 2 8, so it will be multiplied with 4, that will be 12 over 8. So all in terms of 8, so you can cancel out 8 and we are left with 6 less than 4x minus 4y less than 12. So here 4 is common, let's take this out and it will be 6 over 4 less than x minus, similarly take this 4 this way, less than 12 over 4. Further this can be simplified as 3 over 2 less than x minus y less than, and this one will be 3. So we can see that we have to find this one, x minus y. What is the possible value of x minus y? So here 3 over 2 is 1.5, so that means the value of x minus y is in between 1.5 and 3. So this means that obviously this is not 1, either this is not 3 as well and this is not 4 as well, so that means the option B is correct here.